She just cleaned up the frying pan and she's washing it because she knows there's no pork in this restaurant. No alcohol, no pork, no nothing. Oil, Avena oil. What is that? Garlic. One egg. Rice. A bowl of rice. This is Chinese fried rice. They carry many different fried rice, many different varieties of it. This is Chinese fried rice. Soya sauce. It's very strong, very tasty smelling. This is 3 prawns, fish balls, baked carrot, sliced carrot, pepper, that's it. You okay? What is that?
The onion, dry onion and the spring onion.
Okay. And they top it with a fried egg.
If you want extra hot, you can take with chili or sambal.
So they put sambal on the side, extra spicy, or chili on the side, extra spicy. How much is this? 8 ringgit 50 cents. Everything is 8 ringgit 50 cents? Easy to remember.
If you wanted to add extra ingredients like prawn or on top, add on the basic price will be 8 ringgit 50 cents.
And how many of this does she cook a day? About? How many?
How many we can sell the fried rice? Combined with other type of fried rice, maybe 100 packs or 150 packs a day.
Okay, thank you. So that's your fried rice? That is your Chinese fried rice. Okay, we're coming back in the next segment, cooking what?
Penang Hokkien Mee.
Penang Hokkien Mee. People, if you are interested in it is halal. There's not halal certification, but it's halal because they practice no pork, no alcohol, as close as you can get. So if you want edible, any fried rice, any meal in this restaurant, Bee Hwa, you want to meet this girl, you come and you check this out. $8.50, $2 American. There you go. Chinese fried rice. See you in the next segment.